guys, welcome back to Alicia at Home. This is your girl Alecia. Today I'm bringing you guys along for a day in my life, so let's get into it. It's an early morning, you guys. I got my hair up. My braids are ready to come out, girl. They over with. But anyway, we are here at Aldi.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden copper, no get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving a weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
Hey you guys, I just made it back home from Aldi. I will spare you all showing you everything that I got because I did put everything on the conveyor belt for you to see it on there, some of the things. I think you got everything. Just about everything that I picked up, you were able to see it. Anyway, we made it back home. I'm getting ready to put all these groceries away. And then I do have some things I need to do around the house. So you guys, I wanted to come and show you this item that I received to review, and I absolutely love it. Love, love, love it. It is a voice-operated 8-in-1 cleaning brush. This has the different heads on it. Let me show you. It's adjustable. I love, love, love the digital screen. I have used this already, but I just wanted to come and show you. Get down, baby. Excuse my sweet little boy here. So let me put it together and I will show you. Hi. But I'm going to show you the digital screen first. And I am going to leave this linked in the description box below and in the comments because you definitely want to pick this up. Do you see that? It spoke to me, girl. Yes, it did. Hi. Hey, Siri. Hey. So it has these 2 bars here that are adjustable. I'm going to show you how I put it together. You can just connect it on here, okay? It comes with the charger. I have not had to charge it as of yet. We'll see how it does today. These are the 2 heads that I'm going to be using in the refrigerator to clean it today. I'm gonna use these two. I really think this one is gonna be the best one because it has the little slanted area here at the top to get down into the grooves. It also comes with this little bag for you to keep all your attachments in. A little drawstring bag, super cute. This is where you charge it at. So you take the little cover here off from the end cap and you charge it this way. This is also where you attach it to the extension. Look like this. So you can see that it is attached here to the extension. And you can push this button here to make it shorter or longer. I'm going to extend it here. You can see here that I have extended it. This is how long it gets. And I'm going to show you how high it reaches. So this is up in my bedroom and you can see it extends. Let me show you. This is how long it extends, girl. It can get all the way up into your crown molding. All the way to the ceiling. And you can make it shorter too. Here are all of the different head attachments that you have. Again, I showed you this one, which is good for little corners and small little areas. You have the microfiber attachment. A nice buffer one. It's soft as cotton. Scrubber. This is like the Scrub Daddy type material. Another foam cushion one. Good for washing cars maybe. The flat hard bristle. And then the wide hard bristle. So lots of different attachments. I love that. It's very, very easy to attach it as well. Just like that, it's attached. So here's the little bag with the attachments, the instruction, and the charger. And it's very easy to store here. So I'm just getting back home and I am cleaning out my drawers to put all my fruit in. My refrigerator is filthy, you guys. I won't even lie. I haven't cleaned it in a while and it's time. So I'm going to show y'all. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. So you can see this is my meat and cheese drawer. I know. It's pretty filthy, right? But that's okay. I'm going to clean it up today. This is the bottom. It's really time for a new fridge, honestly, because these little things have come off and broken. So as I was saying, you guys, when we built our home, it came with all of the appliances. Washer, dryer, microwave, stove, range, dishwasher. It came with everything, and it came with Frigidaire Gallery, which was supposed to be like the top of the line brand for Frigidaire. But I probably wouldn't purchase it on my own, even though they have lasted. We have been in our home for 7 years now, and we haven't had to change anything except for the microwave. So as I was saying, you guys, when we purchased our home, we did build, and we had what you call a full house package. It came with everything. It even came with the blinds. And so this was a great deal when we purchased our home back in 2017. And so it's been a blessing. Hey, this was our first home. We are in Texas. Okay, you guys, the kids are doing the most today, right about now. Anyway, as I was saying, I've already said it, girl. So yeah, you can see it's time to update all the appliances. I would love to get something that is a matching set. So I went recently, you guys, looking for what I would like. And I saw these two different options. This is the Samsung Bespoke, and I absolutely love this combination. It has where you can change the color. So right here, you see they have it as white, but they have some inserts where you can change it to whatever color you want, like to match your decor and everything. I personally like the white look. I like how it's very sleek and up to date. I like that it has the griddle here. It has the fryer section. It's very nice, very nice, very nice. It has the digital dial. And that's the inside. This is my favorite part over here. And it's the refrigerator. It's the touchscreen. It has the deep sunken freezer section here. Opens very easily. And then it's more space under here. I'm not sure how you do it. Let's see. Oh, you push it back. Open it very deep. This is, love it, love it, love it. The refrigerator here. And you have the Brita, it's like the Brita water filtration system. You can also do it here 2 ways. You have the pitcher, the dispenser as well, so you can do both. Here's the refrigerator opening. Let's see. Okay, so you can see you can open the water section, or you can open the entire refrigerator here. Love this. So they also have this LG Studio package here, you guys. I need to see if they have this also in the dishwasher to match the set. I like this one also. Similar style, it's the stainless steel. Let's see, it's a little bit on the lower end, and it's the thin Q. Oh, they got all kind of amenities in here. Love it. Also has the griddle. It has the convection fryer. I love all of that. The digital dial. Ooh, I just love that blue. It's so nice. And then again, we have the deep sunken freezer. This doesn't seem to be as big though. I don't know if I like that. I need something a little bit bigger. I'm really thinking about this one because I already have the LG washer and dryer in granite. It's the thin Q, and I believe this is also the thin Q collection. I really like the app and all of the programming and stuff. So for everything under the same brand. And so yeah, anyway, let me get back to cleaning this refrigerator out. I'll be back. Okay, I'm glad to see that I can take all these shelves out still. You can see this one is coming loose from here. I need to see if I can get something to secure this back in here. Maybe some, I know it's not going to be aesthetically pleasing, but maybe some Gorilla Tape or something, because we're just not ready to make a purchase of all of these appliances at one time. And that's what I want. I want to be able to come in with one sweep and purchase all the appliances so that they're the same in like a package deal. That's what I would love to do, and we're not ready to do that right now, and I'm not even focused on that. So we're gonna clean this refrigerator up and get it back in tip-top shape. Okay, so I'm cleaning the glass off and cleaning every little thing off here as well. So getting it together. So this is how we look in. I got 3 more shelves to do. This one, and then that one. I'm sprayed down. I need to get all this out. You see all of that? And then I got stuff up here that I'm going to get organized. All of these things here. I need to look on Amazon and see, can I find 2 replacement shelves, because these completely broke off. This one's getting ready to break off too. Let me take this down for this fall. It looked like it's about to fall down. See that? It's already broke. Wow. So all of these little trays like this, I don't want this type of refrigerator no more. It's just not big enough for a family of my capacity. Maybe for 2 or 3 people with little amounts of food. But for a big amount of food, it's not gonna work. It's just not enough space. Everything is cleaned and refreshed in the refrigerator, as you can see. I'm very pleased.